Hi guys, today we are doing another BB racing. Today we are doing Blizzard. So, let's get racing. So, as you can see, I have to be in last place. Oh, that was something cool. Like that dragon thing is the main awesome thing. We got loads of big, huge piles of snow in front of us, and I bet there's going to be some ice ogres. What would it be later on? It just has to. Oh, that's where I always mess up. I sometimes go to the other side. Guinea pigs? So, now to put some oil behind. If I don't like the oil down, because after that I trip over it. Oh, I'm always stepping up anyway. So, there's one of my huge ice things. So, we are coming up to the end of the race and it looks like I'm going to stay in first place. For a long time. Ah yes, I just about missed it. Oh, there should be an ice ogre coming up. Oh yay, no ice ogre. You really just hit into them. So splat. So I just saw a head falling off. I have won in first place! Yay! So that is the end of this video. I will see you in the next video and bye guys!